here's an update. That's not the best lighting. As of right now, we have took off all the wallpaper residue for the most part. The wall that we started on painted before I was supposed to. That one, let me just show you. Yeah, so here you see texture. And so that is what it is. There's nothing I can really do about it now at this point. So got all the wallpaper residue off that I could. And now at this point we are painting. So I have painted one coat over these 3 walls. I have not done that wall because I'm contemplating putting this wallpaper on it. I don't even know if it's really wallpaper or if it's just like a sticker. But if I do put it on there, then I'm not gonna paint it because that's pointless. So we need another coat. Also, I ran out of paints, and so that's why we had to stop last night. But also, it was pretty much was what it was. So now we're doing another coat. I'm gonna let it dry and then do another coat, and then add the wallpaper possibly. That might be tomorrow. But as of right now, we're gonna paint again.
Never let nobody curb me that don't deserve me. Shit, I really bought the Burberry last Thursday. Wear a different color jersey every Thursday. Posting me in Malibu, you posting pics in Jersey. It's delay me or play me, a bigger flex though. Cause you know you never live up to my ex though. If we dive, it's the deep end, baby, let's go. Or be gone by the weekend, baby, XO. Make me know. Make me know again. Make me know again. Make me know. If you take the ride, please don't close your eyes, In the den of thieves, every man disguised, Keep your mask on, keep your hand attached, It's a roller coaster, keep your hands aside, Wanna bring your pain, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, He gon' part the ties, he gon' part the skies, Did it for the fame, remember this advice.
I think we're gonna do wallpaper now.
Wanna bring your pain, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, He gon' part the ties, he gon' part the skies, Did it for the fame, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, He gon' part the ties, he gon' part the skies, When they start to lie, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, When they start to lie, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize,
Person can sit right there. Over here, obviously we have mirrors. Let me just grab them. So yeah, over here, take pictures, and then over here we have the sewing space. I'm gonna figure out how to get my serger in the middle. So yeah, boop boop boop. This is what we're working with. I don't know why it looks so trash, but I'm envisioning it to be better than how it looks right now, so just hold on.
Never let nobody curb me that don't deserve me. Shit, I really bought the Burberry last Thursday. Wear a different color jersey every Thursday. Posting me in Malibu, you posting pics in Jersey. It's delay me or play me, a bigger flex though. Cause you know you never live up to my ex though. If we dive, it's the deep end, baby, let's go. Or be gone by the weekend, baby, XO. Make me know. Make me know again. Make me know again. Make me know. If you take the ride, please don't close your eyes, In the den of thieves, every man disguised, Keep your mask on, keep your hand attached, It's a roller coaster, keep your hands aside, Wanna bring your pain, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, He gon' part the ties, he gon' part the skies, Did it for the fame, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, He gon' part the ties, he gon' part the skies, When they start to lie, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize, When they start to lie, remember this advice, What they vandalize, he'll evangelize,
scissors, open boxes.